very good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Thank you for the great conversation we had. As a person starting their career into the corporate world,
Yeah.
I would want 3 things that you would suggest as a starter so that we can reach to the top positions like yours in one of the great corporates.
All right, 3 things. So let me try and answer that. I think one, I would say, is confidence. Never, ever lose your confidence. Never, ever. Remember, confidence is your own asset and shouldn't allow anyone to dilute that. Yep. So even if you fail, even if you get rejected at some interviews or XYZ, confidence is key. But confidence should not result in arrogance, because there's a thin line between confidence and arrogance. Confidence is saying, I can do it. Arrogance is, only I can do it. So make sure that you have that as this one. The second thing is which I talked about, you can achieve the path to top through different roads and different routes. Normally, one would not associate a CFO path to a CEO. But here I am, and there are many others who also made the cut. So it's about you excelling at whatever you do. There should be no half measures, absolutely no half measures. That you must always keep in mind. Always, every day when you go back, just ask yourself, have I given my best? And if the answer is yes, you got it. Because nobody else needs to evaluate whether you've given your best or not, because the answer lies within you. And third thing I would say is, have the courage to speak up, speak your mind. Very often what we do is we hesitate. We hesitate in giving our viewpoint in a meeting or in a gathering. We always think that, I don't know, maybe my point is not that strong. What if people start judging me on my point? What if somebody else's point is better than mine? Never think about that. Never. So always have the courage to speak up and courage to speak your mind. So I would say these are the 3. The rest, you are in SRCC, which is Asia's one of the best colleges. So you all of you, I'm sure, will reach the top one day or the other.